sakit.
Yeah, may sakit.
You know what?
Exhale.
Breathe out.
Exhale. Ay, oh my God. Tiis ganda. Tiis ganda.
Tiis ganda.
Oh.
Yo guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, medyo kakaiba tong content ko ngayon dahil pupunta tayo sa Posture Perfect Chiropractic Clinic. Trending na nga siya dito sa Philippines eh. And for today's video nga pala, makakasama ko nga pala doon yung ate ko, 'di ba? Para naman masama ko naman siya sa vlog ko at na-experience niya naman yung chiropractic treatment sa clinic ni Doc Williams. And then, shoutout nga pala kay Miss Bell na staff doon sa clinic sa pag-invite sa akin at nang witness natin kung ano nga ba ang chiropractic treatment. So, if you want to know about that treatment, just keep on watching. So, ayun na nga, kasama ko na si ate. Nagmamadali kasi hanggang alas 7 lang yung hanggang alas 7 lang yung bakit ba? Hanggang alas 7 lang yung clinic. 6:44 na. Nahiya si ate kasi nag-vlog ako. Uso to, te. So, ayun, pupunta na kami doon. Malapit na. So, fast forward. Hello po. Andiyan po. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Posture Perfect. Nag-fill up na yung ate ko ng form. Waiver ba yan, te? I-fill up na siya. Ito yung friend ko. Hello! Maria Leonora Teresa. Ayan, so, kabado na yan. Antay lang kami dito. Ang dami din mga waiting dito. Sila, sir. Sir, please, hello po.
Hi.
Sir Eric.
Ay,
May mga waiting dito. So, magka-crack kami ng mga bones mamaya.
Mga meron ako.
Yes, 6 months ago onwards hanggang ngayon. Lower back na. Headache, never experienced.
well, you know what happens sometimes is that people get stiff and they get misaligned. In fact, you've seen it before yourselves, I'm sure, at home. Sometimes you'll meet somebody whose posture is really bad, or that maybe they have a misalignment causing one shoulder to be lower than the other. Or other times where they have a lot of pain and they're walking around, they can't move properly, or they can't turn their head. That's what chiropractic helps. We help to restore motion to the spine and help to restore alignment so that people feel better. But the most important thing of all is that then the nervous system can do what it's supposed to do, which is to guide the health of the rest of the body. So that's really what chiropractic does, is it helps to make the body healthier by releasing the innate intelligence of the body. That's it. I've treated very, very young babies, and I've treated very, very old people, even in their 90s, and lots of people in between. Yeah.
Kaya pala kasi.
Yes. Beautiful.
That's the fun part.
Let it go. Good. Very much. Very good. Very good.
Your Tagalog's getting better.
Maraming salamat.
Very good.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, thank you.
Always nice to see you.
Yeah, same.
We'll see you soon, huh?
Hi.
Yeah, I'm always a bit nervous on film. Go forward. And the left. I'm going to take tension. You let me know if it's too much, okay? Breathe out. Nice.
Good.
That was good.
Haba ko yung paa. Tuwid ko sa
You did good, Rick. Let's do a little check.
kanina yung ginawa sa inyo. Kamusta? Masakit? Parang tumutunog.
Hindi, masarap siya, pero hindi siya masakit.
Ilang beses ka na tumunog pa?
It's my third time to come here. The first time was Thursday.
Thursday. Nitong Thursday lang po.
Itong Thursday na to.
Tapos, second time,
Second time, doon din, Thursday, 6 p.m. naman.
umaga tsaka gabi na. Tapos ngayon yung third
After
time.
lunch, katapos 6 p.m., Dr. Jim advised us to come back.
Okay po. So,
So we're on my second session out of the 9 sessions. So we have 7 sessions left.
ano pong problema nito sa...
It was parang Wednesday. I played basketball from 4 p.m. to 6. Then sinundo ko siya sa school sa Fatima. Sa bahay okay pa eh. Then when I was removing my shorts sa bathroom, after that, hindi na ako makatayo. Parang na-stuck yung back ko. Hindi na ako makadiretso, hindi na ako makalakad. I was walking literally on that position, parang gano'n. Hindi ko siya kaya.
Ganun. Pero
Oo,
ngayon,
naka-L parang gano'n siya.
ngayon po kahit pa paano.
Hindi, nakakadiretso na ako.
Pero
Although
masakit pa
may
rin.
pain pa rin siya, pero very minimal lang yung pain.
Nung pumunta ka po dito, ang sakit po talaga ng back mo.
Hindi ako, actually, hindi
Di ba
ako makalakad.
Hindi talaga. So, pag
So, humiram
nahawakan,
kami ng wheelchair sa SM.
pag nahawakan siya or pag napipress, parang masakit.
Hindi naman, may movement na
Yung
masakit.
buto talaga. No?
Parang miniipit na ugat. So,
Pero-
parang pag inangat ko yung paa ko, yun, yung pain sa likod, doon doon nagpe-present. Pero pag mga nakaupo, hindi naman. Basta may big movements, yun, masakit talaga.
Pero po pag yun, pag ginagalaw niya, ano pong feeling?
Pag may pain pa, like nung the first time, medyo namamaga siguro yung mga muscles ko. Tsaka stiff yung muscles ko, parang may spasms. Yung masakit nung una. But after a while, medyo much better. After the first session, nakatayo na ako konti eh. Then I was able to walk around in SM pa, dalawa. Kasi nung pumunta kami dito, naka-wheelchair ako. So paglabas ko dito, nakakalakad na. Then the second session was a lot better na. Ngayon, medyo lesser na lang yung pain.
Di ba nung nangyari po sa inyo yun, ano yun, naisip mo agad na pumunta sa chiropractic? Kasi di ba medyo ending na to? Or may
Hindi kasi yung Cairo, nakikita ko na siya sa YouTube before Cairo. Doon ko nakita yung bata, ganun din yung posture niya, hindi siya
Yung batang
diretso.
babae ba yun?
Lalaki.
Oo.
Parang Indian yung niya, or hindi ko alam kung Pakistan. So after ilang sessions, nakatayo na naka-straight na yung body niya, nakakalakad na siya.
Wow.
Ganun yung kung nakita ko sa Cairo. So na-intrigue ako sa Cairo. So nung nagkaroon ako, sige pa Cairo na nga lang muna ako.
Okay din yun.
Medyo pricey, pero mukhang worth it naman.
Yun nga eh. So, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Chilla's World,
Yes.
inviting to Chilla's World.
Yes.
Hopefully, I'm gonna create my own vlog.
Oo,
Okay.
sir. Kaya mo yan. Ayun na nga, so si ate na yung nakasala. Nakabahan siya. Nakabahan siya.
So, back in 2013.
Okay, panoorin na natin siya. Ate. Nakabahan ka?
Kind of tight up in here, sister. How do you pronounce your first name? Is it Sharon?
Sharon.
Sharon.
Just call me Cha.
Cha.
Yes.
I could have guessed, because it probably wouldn't be Ron. Forward. Tilt forward. Lean forward. Not slide, lean there, but hang it up. Yeah, kind of stiff up in there, Cha. You feel that? Bit tight in here, sister. Do you feel a difference between that and that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's start with that.
Relax, ma'am. Liso.
Breathe in and
Exhale. Oh.
Kabila.
Kabila.
And breathe in and breathe out.
Exhale. Higa lang. Feel better.
Masarap sa Cali. Cali. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Sakit?
Sakit, but it's...
Good sakit?
Yeah, good sakit.
You know what I call that? Masarap sakit.
Masarap. Sakit.
Masarap sa Cali. Ano pala?
Exhale.
Vida.
Exhale. Ay, ko.
Then what was that word that you were talking about? Tiis?
Is ganda.
Tiis ganda.
Oh.
Is that the right description?
Yeah.
Right.
Wow. You're better, doctor.
Good, good. That's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, ma'am. So, kumusta, ma'am?
Wow, thank you.
Thank you po.
Yeah. See you later, internet world.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wait.
Anong...
Huwag na dito.
Utang ingay mo.
Ha? Yung crack, ang sarap ng pagkaka-crack.
Sabi mo masakit.
Pero hindi natanggal yung back pain ko.
Wow. Agad-agad?
Oo.
Seryoso?
Siguro talagang
Okay na.
better to try this, guys.
English speaking ka na. Okay, sige. Yun na nga, guys. Akala ko maawa ko sa kanya kasi sabi niya kanina kinakabahan daw siya. Eh nung nanood ako sa kanya habang ginagawa na yung treatment sa kanya, tawa ko na tawa kasi ang ingay niya. Ano feeling? Kinakabahan ka kanina, di ba? Ngayon.
Okay.
Okay na, masarap. Eh, ba't kanina parang umaaray ka?
Natatakot lang ako. Kasi mga mali yung
Pero hindi naman. Nung ginawa mo.
hindi. Ano na, very professional naman.
Yung tumunog yung buto mo, masakit.
Hindi.
Ba't sabi mo aray?
Masakit na masarap.
Sabi mo kanina aray. Masakit. Totoo talaga pala yung napapanood ko sa YouTube na masarap daw talaga. No? Kahit tumutunog yung buto. Eh, ba't nung pinanood mo? Ikaw lang
guys.
kaya yung maingay kanina.
Maingay talaga.
Ikaw, diba kanina tahimik na? Ikaw lang yung...
Siyempre kasi
Anong plano mo? Balak mong pag-ipunan to? Habang may promo ba?
Oo. So guys, habang
Ako nga pala guys, ang swerte nyo ngayon kasi hanggang katapusan na lang pala yung promo nila. 2,999. Pero yung promo nila ngayon is 1,500. Dito na nagtatapos ang vlog ko for today. Nakasama ko yung ate ko.
thank you.
Ang Posture Perfect Chiropractic nga pala guys ay located sa SM Fairview sa Parkway upper ground floor. Makikita nyo naman kanina, na-google map po siya sa SM Fairview, so makikita nyo siya agad. So ayun na guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on nyo na din yung notification nyo para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload. Bye-bye!
Thank you. Posture perfect.
Please come down and say hi, and we'll talk to you. I offer free consultations if you ever have any questions.
Thank you, sir.
Ikinagagalak kitang makilala.
Thank you!
Thank you.
My nose is bleeding, sir. You know what? I came here.
Pawis?
I practice my.
Oh, you practice?
Yeah, I practice. I have a lot of questions, but you know, what happened?
I know, I got a bit nervous myself.
You know what? My English is only 5 words,
I'm like that with Tagalog.
and then now it's just only 4 words. I use it now. So yeah. So thank you.